Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. So, we are continuing to talk about healthy living, right? Healthy living. So, earlier we talked about eating healthy and exercising and getting enough sleep. So, today we are going to talk about physical fitness. Okay. Do you see these pictures? What are the people doing? What is this person doing? He is jogging. What about this one? He is jumping rope. Okay. Jumping rope or skipping. This lady, what do you think she is doing? She is doing yoga. What about this person? He looks like he is climbing, maybe a mountain. This is easy. This person is swimming. And this person is what? Do you know what this is? These are called stretches. So this person is stretching. Okay, let's look at this article. You are going to read part of an article about physical fitness. So physical fitness is the same as exercise, okay? Before you read, think about one piece of advice that you think this article will have, okay? Think about what do you think this article will tell us to do. Then read the article. So there are two different articles here. We have one, let's look at the title. Be physically active each day. And what did I say? What is physically active? Physically active is to exercise, okay? Or to be moving your body. And then we have another one here. Make physical activity a regular part of your routine, okay? So think about these two titles and what they are going to talk about. Let's read the first one. Being physically active, we know that means to exercise and to move your body. And maintaining a healthy weight, maintaining means to keep a healthy weight. Weight means how many pounds or how many kilograms I am, are necessary for good health. What is necessary? Necessary means you need it. You have to, okay? Physically active and keeping a healthy weight are needed for good health. You need this. Children, teens, adults, and the elderly can improve their health by including moderate physical activity in their daily lives. Let's try to understand this. Children, we know that. Teens, do you know what are teens? Teenagers, right? Anyone from 13 to 18 is a teenager. Young people, adults, anyone over 18. And the elderly, anyone who is a senior, can improve, can get better. Okay, improve means get better. What will they get better? Their health, right? Their health can get better by including, okay, means by having or by doing moderate physical activity. Moderate means like medium, not so much, but not so less. Medium, moderate physical activity in their daily lives. Daily means every day. Lives, we know what that means, okay? So all of these people, children, teens, adults, and seniors, can have better health by doing medium amount of exercise every day. Okay, that's what it means. Now let's see what they ask or advise us to do. Try to get at least 30 minutes, adults, or 60 minutes, children, of moderate physical activity most days of the week, preferably daily. Okay, what does this mean? Try to get at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes of what? Of moderate physical activity. This is just exercise or moving your body. Try to get 30 minutes minimum, like basic 30 minutes. You can do more, but every day, the least you can do is 30 minutes for adults, anyone over 18, or 60 minutes for children, because children need more exercise. They need more movement of the body. So try to get at least 30 minutes or 60 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Try to do this most of the days. So we have 7 days in a week. Most days would be 5 days, 6 days, preferably daily. If you can do every day, that is perfect. No matter what activity you choose, you can do it all at once or spread it out over the day. What does this mean? So no matter what activity you choose, you can choose any activity to move for physical activity. You can go running, jogging, skipping, you can do yoga, climbing, swimming, stretches, play soccer, whatever. Whatever you choose, you can do it all at once. What does this mean? All at once. All at once means at the same time. So you need 30 minutes, you do 30 minutes together. I do 30 minutes swimming and I'm finished. Okay? Or you can spread it out over the day, meaning you don't have to do 30 minutes all at the same time. You can do 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes in the evening. All right? But you need 30 minutes every day. All right, so this is about this article. Let's look at the second article over here. Make physical activity a regular, we know regular, part of your routine. Make it in your, put it in your routine, something you do all the time. Choose activities that you enjoy and that you can do regularly. So if we think about exercise, we don't really like it because it is sometimes difficult. Sometimes I don't feel like I want to exercise. So you can choose something that you enjoy, that you like. Maybe I like to go swimming. It's fun. So this is why I will choose this one for my physical activity. Or maybe I like to go outside and see nature, so I can go for a walk or a run. So choose activities that you enjoy, that you like, and that you can do regularly. Regularly means I can do all the time, something I can do easily. It's not very difficult. Some people like activities that fit into their daily routine. Some people like to do things that are inside their daily routine, not outside. For example, like gardening. Do you know what is gardening? Garden. What is garden? Garden We plant flowers, vegetables, right? Gardening, that is physical activity because it means you have to dig and you have to plant and have to pull. It's a lot of work. Or taking extra trips up and down the stairs. So some people, they don't want to do exercise like soccer or basketball or swimming. They want to do something they can do every day in their home, like gardening. So gardening is a very good idea. Right now we are at home. So if you have a backyard or garden, it's a good idea to start gardening. So this is something that can keep us physically active. Or taking extra trips up and down the stairs. So when you go up the stairs and down the stairs and up the stairs and down the stairs, don't take any elevators. This will be some physical activity for you. Others like a regular exercise program. Some people don't like to do this everyday thing. They want a program, such as a physical activity program at their work site, or like joining a gym, right? That is a proper exercise program. Some people do both. Some people do like at home, part of their daily routine, and an exercise program. But the most important thing is to be physically active every day, right? So whatever you choose, the important thing is that we should be physically active every day, minimum at least 30 minutes every day. Okay, so this is our reading for today. I hope you understood it. If you don't understand any word, write it down and look it up. Okay, look in the dictionary. All right, now we're going to do some questions for homework. So what you're going to do is you're going to decide if the statements are true or false. So you are going to read this again, and then you're going to tell me from 1 to 6, true or false. Okay? And the next part is part C. Discuss these questions with your partner. You can just write the answer. Do you exercise more or less than recommended in the article? Do you exercise more or less than what the article tells us? So the article tells us 30 minutes. Do you do more than 30 minutes or do you do less than 30 minutes? Does your workplace offer physical activity programs? What are they? So maybe we're not at work right now, but what you can talk about is that do you have any exercise programs that you are a part of? Do you go to the gym? Do you know of any programs? Let me know here, okay? All right. Part D, what I would like you to do for part D is look at the examples of physical activities. Which is an example of a routine activity? Which is an example of a recreational activity? So we talked about routine, right? Routine is like gardening and going up and down the stairs, something you can do all the time and you don't have to think about it too much. These two pictures show me that there is one picture that is a routine activity and there's one that is a recreational, something that it's like I like to do, I enjoy doing, I go out to do this. So here we have Anna plays tennis twice a week with her friend. And here we have Mike. Mike rides his bicycle to the office every day. So which picture do you think is a routine activity? Which one is routine? Something you can do all the time, every day, and is not something special that you go out to do. Yes, you are correct. Riding your bicycle is a routine activity. He just uses his bicycle to the office every day. He doesn't drive. So this is a routine physical activity. And now we understand that this picture is about which is an example of a recreational activity, something that I go out for to enjoy, to do with a friend and whatnot. All right, now here we have a survey for you. Read the list of routine activities. Put a check mark next to the activities you have tried. Put an X next to the activities you would like to try, and add 2 more activities. So here are a list of recreational activities, things we can do all the time. It's not something special to go out and do. So you're going to check something that you do or you've done before, and you're going to put an X for something you haven't done but you want to do. And for the last 2, you're going to write 2 more examples of routine activities. Okay, so you're going to read this and answer. And the last part, F, read the list of recreational activities. Put a check mark next to the activities you have tried. Put an X next to the activities you would like to try. Add 2 more activities. So here we have a list of things or sports or activities that we do for recreation, or something that extra exercise, go out and do it, not part of my routine. For example, we have walk, jog, or bicycle, play basketball, dance, play tennis. Remember, this is tennis over here. Try to read these and see if you understand them. Golf, okay, canoe is on water, skiing. So you're going to check the ones that you do or you have done before, and X for something you have not done but would like to do. And I would like 2 more examples, please. Okay, this last part is something fun. What I want you to do is find out how healthy you are and 2 people in your family, okay? 2 people in your family. So what you're going to do is you're going to write your name here and the name of 2 different people in your family. Then you are going to answer these questions by giving a check mark or points. For example, number 1, sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. Now, if you sleep 7 or 8 hours every night, you get 2 points. 2 points. So you're going to write the number 2 here. Let me write it for you. The number 2. Oops. That's your name. So for example, I'm going to write my name. Oops, which is teacher. Okay, this is not working out. I'm just going to write teacher. That's my name, teacher M. Okay, that's me. Do I get 7 or 8 hours a night? No, I don't get 7 or 8 hours a night, so I'm going to put a 0. See, it says it has 2 points. If you sleep 7 or 8 hours, you're going to write a 2. Okay, and then you're going to write name of family member number 1. You can write their name. I'm just going to write F1 and F2. Okay. And we're going to answer, and you're going to ask your family this question. For example, you have a daughter, or you have a husband, or you have a son, or even an aunt and uncle. You're going to ask them, do you sleep 7 to 8 hours a night? If they say yes, you're going to give them 2 points, 2. If they say no, let's say you ask somebody else, family member number 2, they say, no, I only get 5 hours, 0. Okay, so you do for yourself, do for family 1 person, and then another person. And what you're going to do is you're going to ask them every question and give them points. Okay, these are points. So, do you exercise for 30 minutes 3 times a week? Do you eat a lot of fruit? So you're going to change this into a question when you speak, okay? Do you eat vegetables every day? Do you go to the doctor every year? And each one you're going to give points. Maybe you'll get 1 point here. Maybe they will get 1.0 here. Maybe they will get 1 point here, okay? So you're going to do for yourself. This is for you. And this is for your family members, okay? So you're going to answer all of these survey questions. I'm going to just erase this really quickly, okay? And you're going to go all the way to the end, all the way to the end, all right? And once you ask them all these questions and you have all the numbers, you're going to give me a total, okay? A total, which is right here. We have points here and we have a total here. So what you're going to do is you are going to add the points in part A. So all of these things are good things. You should do them. So when you get points here for yourself and your family member, you're going to add. You're going to put them together, total, okay? And you're going to write the points here. So maybe they got 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. You're going to write the last number, let's say 0.10, and you will get 0.8, and someone will get 0.6 or something. These are the good things. These are the good should items, okay? So you're going to add. Add means I'm going to put number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, put it here. Then when I finish this part, part B, these are shouldn't. So if you ask, do you eat a lot of sugar? And they said yes, you put 1 point, right? When you finish, you're going to add the points in part B, okay? You're going to put these together and these together. So you're going to add the points in part B right here, okay? These are points. We're going to add them separate, different. These are points. Maybe they get 10. Okay, maybe they got 12. Maybe they got 16. I don't know, okay? These are different. And then when you add them here, they are also different. So maybe they got 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay? So they got 11 points here. After you ask them the questions, somebody got 6 points, somebody got 8. So these are add the points in part A, and then we have add the points in part B. These are different, B, and the part A is above. After you have done this, you're going to subtract, look here, subtract these points from the points above. So you're going to take this number, and you're going to take this number, and you're going to subtract. Subtract means minus, minus. So 10 minus 11 is total is minus 1. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final total right here. Total. And 12 minus 6, you're going to take it away. The answer, 6. 16 minus 8, minus, we're going to take it out. The answer, 8. Understand? So the total, we are going to minus, subtract points A and points B. And what about the answer? The answer will be whoever got the total highest number. So the highest number here was minus 1. and the answer here was 6, and the answer here was 8. So in your family, who is the person who has the healthiest lifestyle? Okay, everybody? So this is a fun way to know how healthy I am and how healthy my family is. And these are also very good ideas to start doing to stay healthy. All right, everybody, we will see you next time. Bye-bye.